right, Kyrie. So let's do this. I have my whiteboard. Can you see it good?
Yeah.
All right. I'm going to write a fraction on here. We're just going to review kind of like the parts of a fraction, and then we're going to kind of go into some equivalent stuff. All right.
Okay.
So, Kyrie, what is this fraction? You muted yourself. Let's unmute you. I can't hear you. There you go. What is this fraction?
1 divided by 4.
Okay, you could say divided by, but what else did you say here? 1 out of 4, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so what I want you to do with me is I want you to draw a fraction bar. So it's just a big long rectangle. Do that for me.
Oh,
You got it? All right,
Yeah.
how many pieces has this rectangle got to be divided into?
4.
4 equal pieces, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so go ahead and let's do the 4 equal pieces. Is 4 an even number?
Yes.
Yes, so that means we can divide it right in half, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then that would be 2 on this side and 2 on this side, right?
Yeah, but you also can just 3 lines and you have 4 equal pieces.
Right, so I need to divide it again, right?
Mm-hmm.
Just like that. Now, if I wanted to show 1 out of my 4 pieces that make up this whole rectangle, what would I do?
Right.
Show me 1/4 on your paper and then hold it up for me.
I just kind of did the same thing, but I just write it down. I don't say Oh, I'm not doing. I'm not trying to.
So if I want to show 1/4 here, what am I going to do?
You can draw.
I've already drawn this.
Mm-hmm.
So how do I show 1 out of 4 pieces?
You cut it in 1 square.
I color in 1 square. Very good. So that is showing that there's 1 out of 4 equal pieces that are shaded out of a whole part, right? So if this were a candy bar, I ate 1 out of 4 pieces that make up the 1 candy bar. Okay?
Yeah.
All right. So here's what I'm going to do. I am going to share my screen with you. We're going to do some equivalent fraction stuff. Okay.
Okay.
All right, let's do this. I'm actually going to share my iPad screen. It's pretty cool. So give me just a second and I will. It shouldn't take me very long. We'll see what happens here. See, you can see it, right? Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. So if you look at the middle part, can you still see my my computer cursor or no?
I can still see what you tapping.
Okay. So it says, are 4/8 and 3/6 equal? All right. So look at that. I'm going to zoom in on it. Well, I don't know if I can. Maybe I can't. I guess I can't. All right, so what I'm going to do is I've got to color in. It's this middle square. Do you see that? They've drawn 2 different rectangles, and they've divided the top rectangle into how many pieces?
4 and 8.
No. How many total pieces make up the rectangle right here?
8.
8. So that matches our denominator. So our denominator is our total. And how many pieces make up the bottom rectangle?
6.
6. So right there's your denominator. So then it says that there's 4 out of 8 that are shaded, but that hasn't happened yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shade 4 out of 8, or I'm going to try to here. All right, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4 shaded, right? And then how many do I need to shade in the bottom one?
3.
3. 1, 2, 3. Now it's asking the question, are they equal?
Yes.
Yes. They take up the same amount. So if these are 2 different candy bars, but the top candy bar is divided into 8 pieces that make up the candy bar. So say they were both Snickers. The Snickers bar on top is in 8 pieces, and the Snickers bar on the bottom is in 6 pieces. If I ate 4 out of the 8 pieces and I ate 3 out of the 6 pieces, then I have eaten the same amount of each candy bar. Okay?
Okay.
Does that make sense? Are we good there? Okay, now look at the 3/6 equals 1/2. So let's see if that's true. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw just like they did 2 different squares. Okay?
Yeah.
All right, do you see that? So
Yeah.
how many is the top rectangle going to be divided into?
2. Actually,
So what's the first fraction there?
3 out of 6.
Yes, so the first fraction is 3 out of 6. So how many pieces is the top one going to be divided into?
Miss Stones, he didn't know how to zoom it up. I just helped him, so he can see it better now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And
How many pieces will I divide this into right here?
6.
Yeah, because how do you know that?
Because oh my
The
god.
denominator.
Yeah. I can maybe say it.
That's okay. It's a big word. So, okay, the denominator is 6, which tells us that there's 6 pieces that make up the whole. So I'm going to divide this into 6 pieces, right?
No. No.
All right. And the bottom one, how many equal pieces?
2.
2 equal pieces.
6 what down line.
Okay. So just one line, right? So
Yeah.
I need to, how many do I color in on the top one?
3.
I'm going to color in 3.
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3. And on the bottom one, how many?
1.
1. Are they equal?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, they are equal. Okay.
Giant.
All right. So let me show you what you're going to do
Yeah, back in high school.
for your follow-up activity. Okay.
Okay.
I'm going to share my computer screen so you can see it. Let me see. Right here. All right, so you are the Saturn group. All right, I just named your groups after the planets. So Saturn group right here. When you click Saturn, you are just practicing filling in either the numerator or the denominator, okay?
Okay.
So this is what you do for math as your follow-up activity. Are you good with that, Kyrie?
Do we have to do this together?
No, we're not going to do it together. You're going to do it on your own.
So my group, both my group is going to do this on their own. Okay.
So you'll go into math, then you'll go, so if I go back out of this, you'll go into this, so math, and then you'll go April 30th or March 30th through April 3rd, and then Tuesday, and you'll see this, you're going to see all 4 of these activities. You do not have to do all 4 of them, but you'll find the one that says Saturn because that is your group, okay? And you'll click
Okay.
that and you'll do this activity, okay? And then check your reading one because you may have a reading activity. I don't remember if I put a reading one in there. It's so crazy lately. Let's just look. I think I have. Yay. I did.
Oh, okay.
So you watch a little video and then you do a cause and effect follow-up, okay? So
Okay.
that's what you do for reading. All right. I will talk to you later.
Oh.
We're done.
What time?
Bye.
Bye.
What time?